Welcome to Patriot PS Personal Server Quick Start video. Hello, my name is Pradeep Nambiar. I am the product architect and developer of the Patriot PS Personal Server. First, thank you for your interest in this personal server solution. In this short video, I will provide you a brief introduction on Patriot PS and show you how to set up and configure your personal server. Personal server allows you to take control of your data. You can access your data within your home network or when you're outside your home. You can run a number of applications including mail server. Patriot PS provides easy plug and play in your home network. It has been designed to provide quick and easy configuration and installation of a number of useful applications to help you get real value with your personal server. The Patriot PS personal server solution is available in 3 editions. The personal server system, this is a complete hardware and software solution. The system is small, compact, and fanless to enable a quiet 24/7 operation. It comes with 500 GB hard disk, 4 GB memory, and dual-core Intel Atom processor or similar. It is pre-installed with Pexus Patriot PS OS distribution. Then we have 2 software-only solution, which is either an ISO image or an open virtual appliance image that you can install on your own existing hardware. The Patriot personal server system comes with a network cable and a power adapter. Connect the power plug to the power source, connect the DC jack to the DC connector, connect the end of the network cable to the network port on the personal server, connect the other end of the network cable to your router or the network switch. Then click the power switch on the front panel and give a few minutes for your personal server to boot itself. If you have purchased the Patriot PS ISO Image Edition, you can install it on a PC compatible computer. You would need an Intel or AMD 64-bit processor capable system. Download the ISO image and burn it into a DVD disk or make a bootable USB memory stick. Note, the auto install option is completely automated install and it will overwrite your first hard disk. Please back up any data from the first hard disk before you boot with the Patriot PS ISO image. Refer to a separate video tutorial on how to install Patriot PS ISO Image Edition. If you have purchased the Virtual Appliance Edition, you can import it into a VirtualBox or a VMware Workstation software. Refer to a separate video tutorial on how to import and install a Virtual Appliance image. This figure shows you how to connect your personal server in your home network. You would connect the personal server using the network cable to the router just like any other device or a computer in your home network. The personal server is assigned an IP address from within your home network. When accessing the personal server from within the home network, you would use that IP address. When accessing the personal server from outside the network, from the internet, you will have to use your ISP's external IP address that is assigned along with a port that is configured to forward the traffic to your personal server. After you power on the Patriot PS, wait for a few minutes for the system to boot. You will hear a 3 beep sound to indicate the server is ready. On Windows laptop or Windows PCs, turn on Network Discovery and look for Patriot PS under Other Devices section. Double click to access the web page. On Apple laptops or iOS devices, iPhone or iPad, you can access the web page for the Patriot PS personal server by typing the URL https://pps.local. When accessing the home page for the Patriot PS, you will see the self-signed certificate warning. Accept the certificate to navigate to the home page. After clicking the PPS configuration application button, you will see the sign-in page for the PPS configuration application. Before you can use this application, you will have to register. You should have got the evaluation key or the purchased key when you purchase the personal server system or one of the software solution. Click on the Click to Register link to register the application. Enter the registration identifier, your first name, last name, and the email address, and also the key that was sent to you via email. After successful registration, go to the sign-in page and enter the default user ID, that is PPS admin, and the default password change me. After logging for the first time, the first thing you should do is to change the PPS administrator profile, including setting a new password for your personal server. Set the PPS administrator profile and specify name, email, and a strong password. You will notice the PPS administrator profile status changed. You can modify the profile information anytime. Next, change the MySQL database password. This database may be used by other applications. Next, configure the personal server network and assign a static IP address and specify a custom name to your personal server. Once the network configuration is complete, you will see a network configuration change status page. Click one of the links to go to the sign-in page and log into your personal server again. After a successful sign-in, you will see the new IP address and the new name that you have assigned for your network configuration displayed on the home page. Next, configure the time zone for your personal server. Click from one of the selections from the drop-down and click Submit. Next, personal server should be configured to at least send outgoing email. To set it up as a mail server, you will need a domain name. Until such time you get a domain name, choose the first option. Specify your ISP's SMTP server and port and click Submit. Default HTTPS self-sign certificate was created when your system was first installed at the factory or when the virtual appliance was created. It is highly recommended you regenerate the SSL certificate now with your own identifiers. SSL certificate, though self-signed, keeps all communication to your personal server secure and private. You can regenerate the SSL anytime you want. You can also check the fingerprint information the browser tells you with the information you received from the Patriot PS that contains the fingerprint information. You can also access the fingerprint information from the shared directory folder certs. Next, configure your personal server profile, which includes a unique server name and identifier. This identifier is included in all email notification from your personal server to help you identify the email is not a phishing email. Next, specify an external host name and retrieve the external IP address for your personal server. Click on the checkbox to get notified if the external IP address changes. Patriot PS can update your dynamic DNS host service if you have one with the IP address of your internet connection. Check this box if you have such a service. You can easily sign up and come back to this profile screen to specify that later. We do provide a host of such services so that you have the flexibility to sign up for any service. For now, I will uncheck this box and continue. To access the personal server web application from the internet, you will need to configure your router to port forward the specified external port to 443 of the personal server IP address. Click Submit, configure your router. You can test the connection by clicking the link from the home page. Use the Personal Cloud option to download and install two popular personal cloud application software. Refer separate documentation for more details. Another unique feature of a Patriot PS personal server is the ability to automate. Currently, Patriot PS provides some out-of-the-box tasks. This list is sure to grow as we find other useful tasks for your personal server. Click on the More option to see additional commands to control your personal server. You can enable or disable certain functions. You can also reboot or shut down your personal server from this page. You can even collect the logs in case if you are having problems with your personal server and upload these logs to the Pexus support website. From the More page, you can also launch Webmin application for advanced tasks and also to update your Patriot PS OS and applications. Thank you for listening. You can check out additional documentation and video from the Patriot PS website.